Lisa, kung kailangan mo ng tulong, kaya ko yan. Alam ko ang bawat detalye sa production. Bigyan mo na ako ng authority.
Authority? Nick, wala akong authority. Hindi ko alam kung sure pa kung magtatagal pa ako dito sa susunod na buwan. Ang benta ay yung mga may abogado sa labas, may kusot ang supply chain, walang pagkakaisa ang team. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for coming to me. As your new sales manager, I want to start by saying I'm here to work with you as a team, and I value your experience and commitment. This transition is new for me too, and I want us to succeed together. I'd like to learn from each of you.
Melissa, you've been great in a sale, but managing now is different. How will you handle us when things are not so going well?
That's a fair question, Alex. Management is a new challenge for me, but I'm committed to growing with you. Gusto kong matutunan kung ano yung mga bagay na magpamotivate ka sa bawat isa sa inyo. Alex, your sales results are impressive. How can we work together to support the rest of the team?
Sometimes kasi I'm so lost and not sure sa mga bagay na ginagawa ko, lalo na sa mga expectations sa akin. Pero Melissa, thank you so much sa clear goal na binigay sa akin.
Thank you, Sarah, for sharing. I have to plan to have a one-on-one meetings to set clear goals and check in regular. And also para din makapagtrabaho tayo ng sama-sama and pagtulungan tayo para ma-improve yung bawat isa sa atin.
We have operational delays and challenges from the resources. How will you help us in this?
Gorio, I'm planning to coordinate closely with PJ, the greenhouse manager, to address this bottlenecks early. Your feedback on the customer needs will be important to guide this effort.
I'm waiting for a chance to move to sale. How do you see the happening?
Chelsea, I appreciate your picture. Let's discuss a development plan to deal with this soon. So when an opportunity arises, we'll be ready.
I want to grow into sales too. I've been learning a lot and I'm ready to take on board.
Great news.
Nick, your energy is great. I want to work with you on a fast pace. Let's set your steps so you can succeed.
Melissa, keep me updated on challenges and updates. I'm here to support you, but expect regular reports.
Hey, Beth, I will ensure we maintain open communication. Team, I believe respect, clear goals, and open dialogue are key. I'm counting on everyone's support and promise to be transparent and fair.
I'm ready to collaborate to minimize the operational issues affecting sales.
Okay, I'm here to support you with admin and coordination.
Great! Thank you all. I'm excited of what we can accomplish together.